Imagine this. You're just moving back to your hometown. You're excited and want to see your favorite YouTube channel to relax. But come on, the only option there is a very old and dumb TV. No worries, because in today's video, I will show you how to watch YouTube on a dumb and very old TV like this one. I'm Ty, your tech supporter. Let's get into the video. You might be thinking, can I really bring YouTube to this old TV? It seems to be yes, with just a tiny but. That is, your old TV will need a device that connects to the internet, like a Fire TV stick, a Roku player, or a game consoles. These devices give you access to the YouTube app. If your TV has an HDMI port, you're in luck. It's a straightforward process. But for TV without HDMI, like this one I have right here, no worries. I'll show you how to connect by using an HDMI to AV adapter for RCA component. And if your TV uses RGB compositions, you can swap the adapter and follow the same steps. Today we'll be using the Amazon Fire TV sticks and Sony Trinitron TV for the demonstrations. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your devices. A Fire TV stick with its power cable, an HDMI to AV adapter with RCA cable and its power cable as well. You find the product link in the description. Step 2. Connect the adapter. Plug the red, yellow, and white RCA cable into the old TV corresponding output ports. Then, connect the other ends to the RCA input port onto the adapter. Don't forget to power up the adapter with the micro USB cable. Now, connect your Fire TV stick to the adapter by plugging in the HDMI cable into the adapter input port. Make sure the power cable adapter is connected. Step 3. Use the TV remote or navigate the buttons on the control panel to switch the correct input source. Power on your Fire TV stick and follow the setup prompts if your device is brand new. Step 4. In the Fire TV stick home screen, go to Settings. And connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then, head to your apps and channels. And find your YouTube tab. Launch the app. And then, let's enjoy YouTube on your old TV just like on any smart TV. It's that easy. Just off that vintage TV and start streaming your favorite content. Just a quick note, these older TVs may not deliver the same quality as modern ones. The display might not be perfect, and the Fire TV remote may not control the basic TV functions like power or volume. Still, watching YouTube and more on this classic Sony Trinitron is truly amazing and throwback experience. To wrap things up, you want to bring YouTube to your old TV. The rule of thumb is to give it a little bit of smarty from a streaming device or a gaming console. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support our team. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.